Yo, what up, YouTube? Back again. About to go for a little stroll. Go meet up with the rest of the gang. Uh-oh. Safety first, people. Gotta remember to strap in my helmet. Just strap it in. Can't ride like that. Remember, kids are practice. Safety first. Thought I dropped my phone. That wouldn't have been good. By the way, man, I kind of grown used to these new tires. I haven't quite yet got a chance to convert over to my supermoto setup. But it's in the works. Hey, y'all, please forgive me if there's a lot of wind noise. Ba-da-ba-ba. On the gang, so we got the X3s on deck. Nice little situation. What up, fool? Hell no, dropped it off over there. Oh shit, Carlos. You must thought the motherfucker get some gas. Lost it up, some motherfucker get some gas. What they trying to do? You gotta keep standing up, man. You retarded.
Beavis, you're a stupid dumbass.
You about to be the dumb. Oh shit.
Oh, trouble.
Back at it like crack. Oh shit. Whoa. We got some more B-roll footage of the Bertha coming up right about now.
Just hit with us.
Hey there. Oh man, goddamn, man. Hey man, help my shit, man. That's all I gave you. I gave you a battery 2-bit. Really grease my chain. Gotta be careful though with these roll tires. Gotta have an easy throttle hand coming out through these trails, especially with the slick tires on. Let's get it. You need internet, call the number. Aha! Bro, hey, you never take some time out just really to view the scenery. But every now and then you split a second to take it all in. Nice little creek situation. Ideas. Yo, what up YouTube? So man, we made it back from a long day of riding. So right now we're actually en route to go to a street race that we have lined up for Friday, that which you see me spoke on earlier in the video. Takes it pretty high in the video. I can't lie, and I must admit, man, kind of nervous in a sense, but I'm really not nervous because I'm about to know that I got confidence in Freddie and I know what he's capable of doing. So the odds are kind of in our favor. Now, will it be a blowout? No, it won't be at all. By no means. I'm never underestimating none of my opponents, by no means. But more so and importantly, man, before we get out of here and we go to this race or whatever, man, I just want to say I thank you guys for the continued love and support, man. And more than anything, now what I need from the fan families to do is to go subscribe to Braithwaite's channel, which I'll leave a little preview of the video in the end of this video after the race. If you stay tuned, you can see a couple of excerpts of us actually recording, man. Hopefully, man, a lot of you guys, man, enjoy the content that I got on the way from him. Just basically just giving him a little journey of what he goes through the day-to-day, from his sports to his bikes to everything that he does, man. Good kids, so man, give him a follow, man. We're trying to build up his channel, so man, do me a favor, and to support me, go support him. You know what I'm saying? If I can ask for anything for you guys, man, go subscribe to his channel right now. Link in the description. But other than that, though, man, Cutlass updates, truck updates. Remember, follow me on Xbox, Boone Badass, BOONE'BADAZZ. You can follow me at xboxlive.com. Right now, more than anything, getting kind of late as you can see, so I'm getting ready to get up out of here and load the bike up. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. 2020 and beyond, man. This is another edition of Boone Vlog, Live 5, over now. We're gone.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm recording.
We're gonna post that 242. 242. Yeah, y'all.
Oh, I gotta go to the ground with y'all.
Hey, spread it out. 242. 242 pay good. Y'all pay good.
Say what now? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Now, why did you put us both up here? Right, not me.
Okay.
This is my sister Erin and my pop's mom.
Why you keep rubbing your head? Okay. From the top.
What up, YouTube? This is the Braithwaite. I play basketball, football, and ride bikes. This is my sister Erin and my pop's mom.
From the top.
What up, YouTube? I am Braylon, and this is the Braithwaite. I play football, basketball, and ride bikes. This is my sister Erin and my pop's mom.
Oh. Just say it with a bunch of energy, like, what up, YouTube? This is Braylon. This is the Braithwaite.
Say that. What up, YouTube? This is Braylon. What up, YouTube? This is Braylon, and this is Braithwaite. What up, YouTube? This is Braylon, and this is the Braithwaite.